This is your host Salberti, and we welcome back to our professional traders. After a long time, we have been decided that we will be active on our YouTube channel on a daily basis. So let's move to the bigger time frame. What we have the picture in this portfolio on the bigger time frames, unlike where we have been chosen a 4 hour time frame, and we have been decided this trend line showing us the proper pattern is in a bullish bias. So what possible scenarios we have, and as you guys can see that in on Friday, market has been touched all-time high, and after that it's rejected, and a beautiful crash have been drive on a, like we can say that, on a demand spot, yeah, demand area. So what possible scenarios right now we have? First of all, this trend line showing us that it's a bullish pattern, and in this week or might be on the next week, we have been see that if market break this trend line, our 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 scenario, our possibilities will be shifted on a bearish setup. So first of all, these areas I have been marked for you, so you can guys easily understandable for you. Like this area, I have been wait for my price. It will be at 4140 area. Like at that point, I might be take some entries of a bullish positions. If market reject that area, there is also another demand zone. We can see that on 4050 area, in which a proper bullish trend line indicates it's a pattern on a bullish, so we can take our position on that point. But that would be, that would might take some kind of big time, or might be you have to be some kind of patient for testing your price. So on that basis, I just uh, implement the 4 hour time frame. So basically, if we move to the lower time frame, and I have been mark some uh, picture on that base of 30-minute time frame. So without wasting our time, what possible scenarios we have to do on, like whenever the market will be open. So basically, market have been rejected that area. It will be like 4187 area, and that's a beautiful point for a bullish momentum. So what possible scenario right now we have to do when market will be open? As you guys seen that this is the demand zone, and I have been marked that if market move on that area, we will definitely do a buy. But on the other purpose, I have also marked that area, which will be also called as a, like a cluster of resistance and support. So we will might be take our position on bullish on that area. As you guys can see that it's a green area, and market is trying to create a proper double bottom. So it's a indication of a bullish pattern. So we will take the risk on that area for bullish momentum, and definitely we will go to buy zone at that area. And you guys can see that this trend line on a shorter time frame, which will be on 30-minute time frame, as I have been marked that area. So market might be and possible touch that area. It will be at 4312 dollars. So market have been touched that area, and after that it will decide that it should have to be break or not. If this area would not break, we will take a risk on a bearish setup, and at that area this will be act as a support if market move on that area, on that resistance. So the resistance after that support, we would might be take our bullish momentum as a second opportunity. So our milestone for the next week, after that if market touch that area and market successfully move to the bullish momentum, after that our first target will be 4288, and if market reject that trend line after some retracement, we might be seeing that area at 4288 might be take our second opportunity for bullish momentum, and our mm, final milestone will be 4345. So if you guys are newbies, you can guys text us for uh, for a better guideline. Have a nice day. If you have some queries, you can text us. Thank you. Have a nice day.